Hello friends, now we see the problem number 3, which is also based on factorization method of chapter limits. The problem number 3 is limit x tends to minus 2 x cube plus x square plus 4x plus 12 whole thing divided by x cube minus 3x plus 2. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote L for limit that equal to x tends to minus 2 x cube plus x square plus 4x plus 12 whole thing divided by x cube minus 3x plus 2. Now here numerator and denominator both contain cubic expressions, and that we can easily factorize by using synthetic division method. First of all, we consider numerator, that is x cube plus x square plus 4x plus 12. Now here we write coefficients, that coefficient of x cube is 1, x square also 1, coefficient of x is 4 and constant term is 12. Here we start from the given limit as a minus 2, so we start from minus 2. First term 1 we write as it is, then 1 into minus 2, that gives us minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 we get minus 1, then minus 2 into minus 1 we get plus 2. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Now minus 2 into 6, that gives us minus 12. Now 12 minus 12 gives us 0 as a remainder, and therefore the given expression, that x cube plus x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to x plus 2, and in second bracket we have x square minus x plus 6. Now here the last term is a 6, and that can be factorized as 3 into 2. Now to get minus 1, we must have minus 3 plus 2, and therefore it can be factorized as x plus 2, we write as it is, and then for x square minus x plus 6 we write factors as a x plus 2 into x minus 3. So these are all factors of what? Numerator. Now we consider the terms which is present in the denominator. Consider x cube minus 3x plus 2. Now this also we have to factorize by using synthetic division method. First we write coefficients. Coefficient of x cube is 1. Here x square term absent, so its coefficient written as a 0. Then coefficient of x is minus 3, and finally the constant term is 2. We start from here minus 2. First term 1 we write as it is, then minus 2 into 1 we get minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0, so we get minus 2. Now minus 2 into minus 2 we get plus 4. Then 4 minus 3 gives us 1. minus 2 into 1 we get minus 2, and finally 2 minus 2 we get 0 as a remainder. Therefore, the term x cube minus 3x plus 2 can be written as x plus 2 as a one factor, and second factor is x square minus 2x plus 1. Now here the second bracket is a quadratic equation with a last term 1, which can be factorized as 1 ones minus minus, so that we get minus 2 in the middle. So is equal to, we write first term that x plus 2 as it is, and for x square minus 2x plus 1 we write two more brackets, that is x minus 1, x minus 1. So in this way we factorize the terms which are present in the numerator and denominator. Therefore the next step will be L is equal to limit x tends to minus 2. For numerator we have factor that x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 3 in the numerator. And whole thing divided by, and for the term x cube minus 3x plus 2 as a factor x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 1, that we write in the denominator. Then cancelling the common factor that x plus 2 from numerator and denominator, the next step will be limit x tend to minus 2. We left with x plus 2 and x minus 3 in the numerator, and x minus 1 into x minus 1 in the denominator. Since here x tends to minus 2, x not equal to minus 2, and therefore x plus 2 not equal to 0. It means here we can cancel x plus 2 from numerator and denominator. Now finally we put limit as a x equal to minus 2 in the numerator and denominator. So we have minus 2 plus 2 in first bracket, minus 2 minus 3 in the second bracket, upon minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 in the denominator. So that equal to, now 2 minus 2 gives 0 into minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 upon minus 2 minus 1, that minus 3 into minus 3. Now 0 into minus 5 gives us 0, and minus 3 into minus 3 we get plus 9, that equal to, now 0 divided by 9, so we get 0 as a final answer. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.